Want to add a glowing effect to your image? Here's how to make it shine in BeFunky. First, open your image in the BeFunky editor. Click on the glow effect in the left toolbar. Use the sliders to adjust the intensity, size, and color of the glow. You can add a soft or bright glow depending on your style. Experiment with the glow placement by adjusting the radius to create the desired glow around your subject. Once satisfied, click Apply to add the glowing effect to your image. Glows work great for adding a magical or dreamy feel to your photos, especially in the nighttime shots. Have you ever tried the glow effect? What kind of photos do you think it works best with? Let me know in the comments. If this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.